In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. All you need to do is open settings and scroll down a tiny bit to click on gestures. Then tap on one-handed mode, and if you are using gesture navigation, use this switcher to activate it. Then make sure that pull screen into reach is on and swipe down from the bottom of your screen. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. To go back to standard one, swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode, use the same now blue switcher. If you are using Tricky's navigation, scroll all the way down and use this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut instead. Hit got it, and to enter one-handed mode, just tap on the shortcut. You can exit it by clicking on this area here or by tapping on the same shortcut again. In order to disable it, tap on blue switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!